Hi, my name is Alejandro and my partner is Lei Patel. We are the co-founders of GOBY. The purpose of GOBY is to keep coral reefs clean for the future of the ocean, economy, and tourism by using artificial intelligence. Global warming is debilitating coral reefs, leaving them more vulnerable than ever before. Yes, global warming is a huge problem. But global warming does not kill coral reefs. Pollution and physical destruction does. It takes a lot of time and resources to protect the coral reefs. It would be almost impossible to do it manually. Our coral reefs are in grave danger. It is urgent to take action now to avoid losing the coral reef forever. As the specialist in coral reef David Obura said, children born today may be the last generation to see coral reef. Unless we do everything to limit warming to 1.5 Celsius, we will lose 99% of the world coral reef. The solution we are developing is using artificial intelligence to clean the coral reef. It is a combination of software and hardware. Software will help in locating the coral reef using artificial intelligence, and then hardware will be a robot with a mechanical arm that will remove any debris damaging the coral reef. The process will be efficient, eco-friendly, and do minimal damage to the natural ecosystem of the coral reef. Bear with us to know more. Coral reefs are the home of thousands of beautiful species of marine flora and fauna. For this reason, they are as well a source of abundant fish that feed a large amount of human population. For its stunning beauty, coral reefs form part of touristic attractions. In the US alone, the market around coral reefs is worth over $35.5 billion and $68 million in particular in the form of tourism. The area of the country where the coral reef is located is Florida, which is our target market.
It is time to introduce you to our product, an autonomous underwater vehicle AUV called GOBY, which uses artificial intelligence to perform three important tasks: mapping, classifying, and cleaning. The following slides will explain each in detail. First, GOBY needs to locate the coral reefs. We plan to locate the coral reefs by using reinforcement learning. For those unfamiliar with reinforcement learning, it is a way to train an agent, or in our case, the AUVs, to make decisions based on trial and error methods. Once GOBY locates the coral reef, the second step is to classify coral reefs, debris, and other marine life. The purpose of classifying is to remove the debris with minimum damage to coral reef and other marine life. It will accomplish this with the help of computer vision and training the algorithms to classify and distinguish debris from other marine lives. Once GOBY has distinguished debris, it is ready to be removed. GOBY will have an arm which will be used to remove the debris without affecting the coral reefs. In summary, GOBY is an autonomous underwater vehicle AUV which maps, classifies, and cleans coral reefs using artificial intelligence. Our financial model is based on an NGO that relies on key partners for funding. The development of the first prototype would require $100,000 of investment from donations, grants, and crowdfunding. In the long term, we will be funded by sponsors and other NGOs, generating an income of about $200,000 per sponsor each year. Once we launch our product, we plan on working with the government of Florida, as they could provide us with about $4 million of investment to finance our business and expand it. Our team is made up of two members at this moment. My name is Lai Patel and I am a student majoring in computer science and have previous experience with AI, as I am the technical lead of food aid in the NITTANY AI challenge. My co-founder is Alejandro Jimenez, who is an entrepreneur and has created several companies in the past, including Everest Master and the digital marketing agency OUWeb. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.